Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at LTC coin. Now, since last time we had pretty decent breakout from this neckline area where we noticed a reversed head and shoulders pattern and which resulted in 7%, 7.19% of market price movement. Now, ever since price has been basically pushing further up and up and up, and now we are going to look into a completely different game plan for the LTC coin since we had this bigger breakout area and fake out formed here, so some sort of like a Bart Simpson pattern, some call it. But anyways, let's go to the daily time frame and start to look now. Instantly going to place the major resistance area, which consists basically of this zone here, so that's going to be marked as the major resistance area. So major resistance. Now what we are going to look for is we had a bounce from 200 EMA, which is a green flag for us for a bullish outcome, so going to mark here. And also let's check a few more things. So we had overall since last time when we had like a breakout here, we had, so I'm not going to just talk, I'm going to show you. So we had the breakout from the local resistance area, so breakout structure, a proper retest, a bounce, and then price basically corrected itself to move the EMAs closer to the market price, and now price has shoot up. So based on here, going to expect to see the price to move further up, so somewhere in between this zone, so from 133 $133 to $140, with stop loss being somewhere in this region. So risk and reward ratio is 1 to 2 on the daily time frame. Now let's go to the hourly time frame. Going to remove this one. Now we had a pretty decent breakout structure here as well. It's not a clean breakout structure on the hourly time frame, but nevertheless we had the break with some kind of struggle. Now what we need to see is that buyers will secure this area. So let's go into the 30-minute time frame. So we had breakout some sort of, and now price is in the accumulation area, which means a sideways channel has formed. So here and here. Now what we need is a full scale breakout. First step would be breaking from this local high area, which means a reclaim of the EMAs on the 30-minute time frame, reclaim of this breakout structure area, and then a reclaim of local high smaller time frames. As soon as we get those, we are going to aim for this area. So actually the entry should be here and the stop loss closer to this area. So once we see a clean breakout from here, we would enter into a long position with the target, as already mentioned, the $133 and $140. In this case, the risk and reward ratio is 1 to 3, I will call it, slightly less, but it doesn't matter. And just based on this, we are bullish. So overall markets are showing pretty good recovery since the start of October, so expecting the October to be overall bullish, as September was full red month. So anyways, let's wait for the breakout. As soon as we get the breakout on the smaller time frames, we are going to look for an entry, and from there on just glide into this area. And if we zoom out, we see that there is still a huge room, and once we see this smaller or like short-term target to be reached, we would wait for the breakout structure here with a trading setup, something like this. So once we see a breakout from this major resistance zone, then the next target would be $240, $230 area. So anyways, that's it for today. If you like this video, as always, feel free to leave a comment and a like, and I'll see you in the next video.